Does paperwork in Nigeria? How does it work? Is it Bitcoin verified? What bank do I link to it?
Alright, so today I'm going to answer 5 questions that I think are major that people have concerning paper. And if you have any other questions, you can drop it in the comment section. So the first question that I have here is, does paper work in Nigeria? Paper works in Nigeria, but there are methods to it. Paper works in Nigeria, but it's not Nigerian paper account. And don't go and stress yourself or waste your time watching YouTube videos, because that's not going to help you out. Actually, you need an expert to help you read the paper or you learn from them. Alright, when I say experts, people that have knowledge about it. YouTube videos might help depending on what you want. There are methods to creating the paper account. Second question is, how do I withdraw my funds? There are platforms that give US virtual bank that you're going to use to withdraw your funds. And the way it works is, you're going to link that US virtual bank to your paper, and then you withdraw from your paper. Anytime you have your funds in your paper, you withdraw to your US virtual bank, and then when it gets to it, you convert it to Naira and withdraw out to your Nigerian bank account. US virtual bank are given by Nigerian fintech companies. There are a lot of them like that. If you want to know more, you can send me a DM. Is it Bitcoin verified? Not all paper are Bitcoin verified, majorly US and UK. But that was then actually. A few months ago, they disabled the Bitcoin and you cannot withdraw your funds using Bitcoin anymore. Except you have created the account for the change and you can still use your Bitcoin. But now, if you create a new account, you will not be able to withdraw using Bitcoin. The next question I have, how do I fund the paper account? Many people have asked me that question. If I create an account for them or they get my course, how do they fund their paper? Majorly, the only way to fund your paper account is by getting funds from other people that have paper, transfer funds to your paper, and then that's how you get funds into it. So hope your paper account will be blocked. That's like the number one questions everybody asks. Hope it will be blocked. There's 100% yes or no. First off, it depends on how you use it, and second, it depends on paper.
Majorly, if you want your paper to last long, you need to know how to use it very well. You don't just create a new paper now, and then the next one now you are receiving $1,000 funds on it, $500 funds on it, and you expect the paper to last long. You need to build up transactions on paper. So when you create a new paper account, even for the first 24 hours, you don't have to receive any funds in it. First, just leave it. Then after 24 hours, start with little funds like $5, $10, and then you don't just receive it on a steady, like you receive $5, then after 1 hour you receive another $10, then after, don't use paper like that actually. It's more better if you want your paper to last long actually, to use it building up transactions. It's more better that way, so you understand. And then don't receive goods and services funds on a new paper account. Paper has updated their security and the boot is more sensitive now. I create paper accounts for freelancers, TikTokers, online business owners, and all stuff like that, and need paper to receive their funds. And I also have a course that teaches on how to create different countries of paper, how to link bank, how to withdraw your funds, how to lift or remove some little limits. If you need more info, you can send a DM